Immense pleasure to welcome you all to the third annual GMC Alumni and OCPD session. We are honored to have you all with us today. As you people know, before the start of any reading, we recite the name of Almighty Allah. For recitation, I would like to call Hafiz Saad Ahmed from third year to come on the stage and recite the Holy Quran. Hafiz Saad Ahmed.
إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون نزلا من غفور رحيم ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين. तर्जुमा वाकई जिन लोगों ने कहा हमारा परवरदिगार अल्लाह है और वे इसी पर कायम रहे, उनके पास फरिश्ते ये कहते हुए आते हैं कि तुम कुछ भी अंदेशा और गम न करो, बल्कि उस जन्नत की बिशारत सुन लो जिसका तुमसे वादा किया गया है। तुम्हारी दुनियावी जिंदगी में भी हम तुम्हारे रफीक थे और आखिरत में भी रहेंगे। जिस चीज को तुम्हारा जी चाहे और जो कुछ तुम मांगो सब तुम्हारे लिए जन्नत में मौजूद है। अल्लाह ताला गफूर रहीम की तरफ से ये सब कुछ बतौर मेहमानी के हैं। और इससे ज्यादा अच्छी बात वाला कौन है जो अल्लाह की तरफ बुलाए और नेक काम करे और कहे कि मैं यकीनन मुसलमानों में से हूँ। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
I request Dr. Tahira, Dr. Nabila, Dr. Farhan and Dr. Afan to kindly come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, at this fourth GenCon, I would like to introduce the GMC Alumni Association, its foundation and struggle for establishing the GMC Alumni. The GMC Alumni was founded in 2022 in second GenCon by the worthy principal at that time, Dr. Maruf Aziz and Dr. Abdul Rahman Ali. There was a lot of struggle and long-term effort in establishing the GMC Alumni. I would like to welcome the esteemed cabinet members of GMC Alumni Association, Dr. Nabila, Director of GMC Alumni Association, Dr. Tahira, Director OCPD, Dr. Farhan Tahir, the President of GMC Alumni Association, Dr. Nurul Hussain, Vice President of GMC Alumni Association, Dr. Sameer, General Secretary of GMC Alumni Association, Dr. Umair Hassan Bhutta, Finance Secretary of GMC Alumni Association. I would also welcome our esteemed speakers, Dr. Inshal Arshad, Dr. Afia Zubair, Dr. Umair Jujua, Dr. Muzaffar Abdullah Hashmi, and all other guests of honor. My dear colleagues, the GMC Alumni Association has played a very crucial role in mentality and personality grooming of junctions. The JANCA provided a path of guidance for all junior junctions. The guidance for all GMC graduates that include career opportunities within the country or outside the country. Now we will proceed with the session. Firstly, I would like to extend a warm welcome to esteemed Director of GMC Alumni Association, Dr. Nabila, consultant dermatologist, who will be speaking on introduction of GMC Alumni Association. Kindly come on the stage, ma'am.
Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to all of you for being here today. And secondly, to begin with good news, a positive feeling that GMC is a newborn institute, but the way it is rapidly growing to be at par with the centuries-old institutions of the country is a big start for us. It's a moment of pride. So, because of our very efficient students and our highly dedicated faculty, and because we have always been lucky in having a good leadership for the GMC, it was the brainchild of Professor Maruf Aziz Khan, our worthy ex-principal, that we need to initiate our Alumni Association. So, it was born in 2021 under the chairmanship of Professor Abdul Rahman Alvi. We had a vision at that time that our alumni will be at par with the alumni of RMC and KEMU, that is MRU. That was our vision at that time, but the way our alumni is working and it has achieved its targets within 2 years, I have a strong feeling that within few decades, we will cross them easily, inshallah. In the beginning, we thought that our alumni will help to create a strong connection between the alumni and the faculty, and our alumni should feel a strong bond with the institution. The main purpose was this: once it is established, the alumni will help to uplift the institution by uplifting various societies, by creating stewardship programs and various other activities. But to my surprise, the vision that we have written at that moment, our cabinet has crossed that line we draw. So they have upgraded the reading room of Boys Hostel. They have upgraded the library of Boys Hostel. That was never written in our agenda, but they are working beyond agenda. And inshallah, they are going to launch or inaugurate the reading room of Girls Hostel this coming week. That is also ready. There is upgradation of Blood Donor Society with the collaboration with the alumni. There is upgradation of Gujranwala Welfare Society and Gujranwala Child Education Program. Alumni have been donating for the working. There are scholarships running at the moment for the GEMCs. And now what we have achieved in addition to these, we have our own office, alumni and OCPD office. Dr. Tahira is leading the OCPD office to enhance the career opportunities, to mentor the career opportunities. We have our own website and we have our own active page running that is actively being operated. So I would like to congratulate our current cabinet president Farhan from G2, Vice President Dr. Noor from G6, General Secretary Samir from G2, Finance Secretary Umar from G2, and Media Secretary Haris from G6. They have well done, and I think they need our appreciation. Here I announce that you all are welcome to participate in the next elections of the cabinet. Those will be held in 2026, inshallah. I will leave the message that our collective best is yet to come. And every one of us, we should give ourselves the message. I should talk to myself that I will make my institution proud of myself. That should be my talk to myself. That is the message. Thank you so much.
Moving towards our next speaker, the Honorable Director OCPD Dr. Tahira, the Associate Professor of Gynecology Department, who will be speaking about empowering medical students for successful career. The stage is yours, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, and I am honored to stand before you to celebrate this incredible achievement of our medical students who are now become the esteemed professionals. It's truly inspiring to stand here because all of you are my students and each and every one of you has come in upgrade in your professional development and the professional journey. As you know, medical profession is not just a job. It is basically a commitment and dedication towards your patient care. Now you are the part of this noble profession, so it's not only requires your clinical expertise, but also very much important, your empathy, your integrity, and deep sense of responsibility towards your patients. Because the responsibility, in my opinion, responsibility is utmost important. Because when you start your career, जब भी आप शुरू करते हैं आप उतने ज़्यादा नहीं होते अपने फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट नहीं होते and with the passage of time आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता your clinical experience आप एक्सपर्ट होते जाते हैं. लेकिन what is more important क्या चीज़ है कि आपके sense of responsibility towards the patient होनी चाहिए. आप पेशेंट के साथ एम्पैथेटिक होने चाहिए, सिम्पैथेटिक होने चाहिए. अगर आप एक अच्छे प्रोफेशनल हैं तो आपको पेशेंट से बात सुनने का तरीका आना चाहिए और आपको पेशेंट को टाइम देना चाहिए. बेसिकली दिस थिंग along with the clinical expertise make you a more successful professional. ठीक है? So come to the presentation. We have developed this OCPD department in basically in October 23. It's basically a vision of Principal Sam of DMC, Professor Iqbal Sandover, and then we merged these OCPD and alumni together in January 24. So we will develop certain initiatives to help clinicians to grow professionally and to build specific competencies to cope up with future advancements and ongoing challenges. So we have arranged some lectures in fourth and final year initially, and then the proper inauguration of the OCPD session office, which is in front of the conference room. These are the few pictures of moments of that thing. And what are the future plans? This is basically for the house officers, third year, fourth year, final year students. What is important? कि आपको क्या पता चल सकता है, क्या हमारे इनिशिएटिव्स हैं और आप लोगों की कॉपरेशन किस तरह चाहिए. इसमें हमारे फ्यूचर प्लान्स में है कि हम सर्वे कंडक्ट करेंगे by asking the students that what are their needs, what are their career needs, and उसके ऊपर हम बिल्डअप करेंगे अपने करियर ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम को। उसके बाद रिकंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम जो डॉक्टर मारूफ अजीज खान ने शुरू किया था, उसको हम दोबारा इनिशिएट करना चाहते हैं। Then starting the professional enhancement by online medical and clinical classes, conduction of workshops and seminars on leadership, business and communication skills. ये हमने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डे किया भी था, हमने अपना प्रोग्राम भी किया था। कंडक्शन ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स एंड सेमिनार्स हो गया। We will arrange एक और हमारा प्लान था कि हमें स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर भी एक वर्कशॉप अरेंज कराएं जिसमें सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व हों। We will facilitate opportunities for students to connect with experienced professionals and alumni. और बेसिकली इस वक्त हम यही कर रहे हैं कि आपके जो alumni के डॉक्टर्स हैं, जो प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, वो आपके साथ बात करेंगे और आप उनके साथ कभी भी हेल्प ले सकते हैं, उनसे पूछ सकते हैं। Organize networking events and panel discussion with alumni and industry leaders to facilitate meaningful connections. Also helping the residency preparation programs, helping in mock interviews and guidance in the program of residency match. Then we will arrange guest speaker lectures which we already doing. Then we plan ACLS and BLS workshops for you. Then resource allocation from the hospital and other sources for staffing, budget and potential partnership programs. And last but not least, this is very important, the cooperation and the involvement of the students. Okay, so thank you very much for this. So, my dear students, keep learning, keep growing, and make a change in the world. Thank you.
Our next speaker, the GMC graduate from Batch 6, who recently matched the residency program in New York, USA, Dr. Muzaffar Abdullah Hashmi. Thank you so much for your presence in this conference. Kindly come on the stage.
Assalamualaikum everyone. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? First of all, thank you for having me here, and it's a great pleasure to be here. और बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है वापस आके जहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया, और एक बड़ी खूबसूरत सी कोई नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग आती है जब वापस में कॉलेज आते हैं। तो मैं तो 1 साल बाद वापस आता हूँ। इस कॉल में तो खैर शायद 3 साल बाद आ रहा हूँ। उस कॉल में शायद अच्छी मेमोरीज भी हैं, लेकिन ज़्यादा बुरी मेमोरीज नहीं है मेरे काम में। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू विल एग्री विद दिस। होपफुली आप लोगों की अच्छी मेमोरीज ही रहेंगी इस काम में। सो यस, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर। और मेरा आज के बनाने का मकसद यही है कि मैं आप लोगों को अपनी जर्नी से थोड़ा सा आगाह कर सकूँ कि मेरा प्रोसेस क्या है। ऑब्वियसली कि इस वक्त मेरे पास टाइम है वो इतना एग्जॉस्टिव अपने सेमेस्टर दिए हैं, एक ही चीज़ को बता सकूँ, क्योंकि इस प्रोसेस है ये बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स इन द सेंस कि इसमें बहुत सी ऐसी डिटेल्स हैं जो कभी हमारे पास टाइम नहीं होगा। मेरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं आपको एक पिक्टोरियल ओवरव्यू दे दूँ, जिससे आप लोगों को एक ओरिएंटेशन हो जाए कि भाई इसमें आपने इसको नेविगेट कैसे करना है। Just a bit about introduction about myself. My name is Muzaffar. I graduated was in the class of 2020. I graduated in May 2021. I recently matched at Montreal Medical Center to study at the Advanced College of Medicine in New York City. For this hospital, I'm going to be graduating in 2027. So briefly, but मेरा मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई। वो ये थी कि 3rd ईयर में मैंने प्लान किया था कि मैंने स्टार्ट करके चले जाना है, और उस वक्त हमारे इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसोसिएशन नहीं थी। तो मुझे काफ़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी रिसोर्सेज को इकट्ठा करने के लिए, जो कि इस प्रोसेस का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है। एक प्रिंसिपल है, इट्स कॉल्ड पेरेटो प्रिंसिपल, इट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड 80-20, शायद आपने इसके बारे में सुना हो। प्रिंसिपल ये कहते हैं कि अगर आपका जो 100% सक्सेस है उसको अचीव करने के लिए जो 20% आपने एफर्ट की है कंट्रीब्यूट टू 80% एक एनालिसिस की है कि मैंने अगर एक दर्द काटा तो वो उस दर्द को काटने के लिए अगर 100 घंटे हैं, 20 घंटे पहले जो है वो अपनी एक्सेस को शार्पन करने में लगा है। तो आई ट्राइड द सेम प्रिंसिपल हो गई। मैंने 1 साल 1.5 साल से अपने रिसोर्सेस इकट्ठे करने में लगा है, जिनको मैंने एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट यूज किया अपने अगले 6-7 साल के लिए। तो थैंकफुली इट बोर फ्रूट एंड वाज एबल टू मैच। I'm going to briefly talk about the match process and what it was like and what it was like for me. So the first thing that we need is a plan. Obviously, I understand about the idea. And once you have a plan, फिर वो जो डर जो खौफ होता है, fear of the unknown, वो खत्म हो जाता है। लोग मेरे से ये पूछते हैं कि ये मुश्किल है कि आसान है। मैं एक बात मिशन को ये कह रहा हूँ, आसान मुश्किल कुछ नहीं होता। सबसे मुश्किल काम होता है प्लान बनाना, एक कॉन्सेप्ट बनाना कि ये चीज़ें मैंने करनी है। जब आपको वही पता होती है ना, तो फिर आपको fear of unknown होता है, खौफ होता है कि अभी मैं इसको कैसे नैविगेट करूँ। My purpose of here being today is just to focus on the plan. उसकी execution को एक बहुत बड़ा सेशन होगा उसमें साल। So the timing that you generally need for this is 2 to 3 years. This includes your exams, your rotations, basically applying for residency itself. So if you can get 2 to 3 years, then this includes medical school. आप हर चीज़ plan कर सकते हैं, if you time yourself right. If you don't do the mistakes that I made, I think I could have been in the US maybe a year ago. मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग इस बात को फॉलो करना शुरू करें। A very important question is कि जी expenses कितने आते हैं? This is a very important question, right? आप ज़ाहिर है करने की कोशिश होती है, लेकिन आपको रियलिटी पता होना चाहिए कि मैं इस बात में जा रहा हूँ उसमें क्या ऑब्स्टिकल आएंगे। This is one of those, unfortunately. So this is the figure I can tell you. This has always been the figure for the past 10 to 7 years. Unfortunately, $15,000 आज से 10 साल पहले कुछ और थे, अब कुछ और हैं। This is the challenge of this. But for transparency, raw transparency, this expense includes your question banks, your exam fees, money for your competition, tickets when you go to the US. It also includes your NRMP fee, which is the fee that you pay to apply for a program. That's a lot of money. It's all in this. If you have this money, you can go to this and pretty confidently. But you have to remember there are no guarantees in this process. If you don't match, a huge chunk of this could be considered as a waste. Lekin if you keep yourself persistent in the journey, you will succeed. You may go test different strategies. I'm not going to go on to your discussions because that's a whole other topic. You make a lot of time to go into that. But I will quickly touch on this. And of course, very, very important. There's a very important saying here. You are going to be the average of the 5 people you spend most of the time with. It's very important about that. इसलिए I always suggest that please, if you have goals, find people who share your goals. Like-minded लोगों के साथ दोस्ती बनाएं। अगर दोस्ती नहीं तो दोस्ती करें। इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं कि आप उन लोगों से दोस्ती के छोड़ दें अगर आप इनसे गोल मैच नहीं करते। I mean, this might sound very selfish, but this is very important if you want to succeed, and this will pay you back in infinite times. You will see that your success is going to be multiplied in a very huge number. You will be able to achieve your target in a minimal amount of time. After you have this goals, so how difficult is to actually get maths? So let's talk about this most statistically. Certainly, we think that we can maths is right. काफी लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं, so what does really matter? तो हम objective data देखते हैं जो कि अमेरिका में ऐसा publish होता है. Let's talk about this. So इस ग्राफ में अगर हम फोकस करें जो ग्रीन लाइन है सबसे टॉप है वो एनआरएमडी की पोजीशंस हैं जो कि हमारे साथ सीट्स होती हैं जो हमारे लिए रेलेवेंट है इसकी द यूएस मेडिकल कार्ड दिस इज रेलेवेंट टू अस दिस इज मोर रेलेवेंट टू अस वी आर बेसिकली नॉन यूएस IMGs let's go a bit forward and we'll come back to this one second okay let's talk about some definitions first so मैथ्स की एप्लीकेशन में डिफरेंट कैटेगरी एप्लीकेंट्स होंगे फर्स्ट इज द यूएस मेडिकल ग्रांट फेयरली सिंपल जो यूएस सिटीजन वाले यूएस के मेडिकल स्कूल में गया है उनको एक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट बॉडी निकल होता है उनका अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट इंटरनेशनल नहीं है मेडिकल स्कूल अगली कैटेगरी है यूएस आएंगे जो एक ऐसे सिटीजन है जो अमेरिका में पैदा हुआ लेकिन एमबीबीएस करने के लिए किसी और मुल्क में चला गया थर्ड कैटेगरी इज अस non-US don't belong to the US don't have any citizenship or US capital this is the category that I belong to your chances of matching is going to be toughest if you are in this category but it's true I'm just giving you the definition of a picture of each other let's go back to this picture ये statistical data है जो बता रहा है कि over time x-axis को देखें तो over time number of seats कितनी increase कर रही है number of applicants कितने बन रहे हैं match candidates look at the okay so if you look at the gray area this image this represents the non-US IMDs these people like you and me matched you can see the graph is steadily going up this is a good thing and this is a good thing it's encouraging to the Bahar of black American match I'm sorry So, take away point is the number of people matching are steadily increasing. Okay, but unfortunately this isn't a complete story. Not only the number of people matching is increasing, but the percentage of people matching is also increasing. So let's say we get all over like international students. इस वक्त जो लेटेस्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो कहती है कि जी so ये पिक्चर थोड़ी पुरानी है look at the red highlighted box उसमें करा ये फिगर है so in this is from 2017 this is pretty old this means that 49% of the people non-US IMDs who applied match so roughly 50% अभी भी पिक्चर नहीं है 50 इस वक्त जो लेटेस्ट फिगर है वो 53% है so you might think कि ये जो number of people who the ratio apply करने के लिए match करें तो बढ़ रही है which is fair, but यहाँ 49.3 something इसको कर लें but जो picture आपको analytical data नहीं दिखाता क्योंकि मैंने अपने trial analysis की वो ये है this is a very important thing हम जिस कैटेगरी में आते हैं that's called the non-US citizen or non-US IMD इस कैटेगरी के अंदर एक hidden category उन लोगों की भी है जिनको अमेरिका में काम करने के लिए work visa की जरूरत नहीं है so people like you only are going to need work visas I qualify for a work visa for this one some people don't need a visa because they have green cards. Maybe some of them have it. Also, green cards. Green cards is you're still a non-US resident. You still graduate from medical school in Pakistan. You're also going to be in this category. So any figure you see over here is going to be skewed from those. And my personal opinion, when I figure it out, the figure in America was 30%. So in reality, only 30% of the people who apply from countries like us they match. So we're not discouraging figure क्योंकि इसमें एक average means का अगर आपको प्रोफाइल अच्छी हो तो आप एक्सपोर्ट को मिलते हैं तो we're going to go up. So this is another set of statistics कि आपको match करने के लिए क्या चाहिए. If you look at the non-US IMD category on the right side, the first thing that the metric that we're going to see is the number of predictors ranks. Ranks means आप एक introduce करते हैं. अभी भी मुझे एक हेल्प बात है कि if you get 700 people in the match process you 90% now आपका match हो सकता है this is a given thing as you can see here okay let's talk about the mean US average score to match candidates and non-US IMDs the average score in level was about 256 for step 2 is 240 slightly bit higher than this but again I'm telling you this you have to like the average score के साथ लोग match करें this is not the reality because this figure is skewed वो लोग भी हैं जिनको वीजा की जरूरत नहीं है अगर नो रिक्वायर वीजा आप मैच होने के चांसेस एक्सपोनेंशियल Let's talk about the top 5 US specialty tracks in the US internal medicine and ज़्यादा लोग मैच होते हैं next up is family medicine then we have pediatrics neurology and the surgical positions generally speaking it's you're more likely to match in internal medicine but it doesn't mean you only have to do surgery centers अगर आप surgery का शौक है तो you have it done surgery और उसके क्या करना है we will discuss that some other time मुझे personally surgery करनी पसंद नहीं थी ठीक है मुझे तो पता था कि मैंने surgery में जाना है luckily for me internal medicine relatively easy to manage all the things are changing internal medicine is considered the new religious competition के हालात हैं. And I'm not telling you this to scare you guys. I'm just telling you this if you plan early, you guide things will go well. A little bit about the study methods. Just use whatever makes you comfortable. Study method was always recommended about here. Study with people who share your goals. I unfortunately was maybe not privileged enough to मुझे अपनी टाइमलाइन को उनका साथ मिलता तो मेरा काफी लेट हो गया इतना नहीं मिलना चाहिए मेरे साथ for all transparency. I would strongly urge you guys to stay together. वैसे भी अक्सर स्टूडेंट्स को कहता हूँ कि जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन पोस्ट करे या वीडियो सबमिट करना है वो WhatsApp पर I'm sure you guys are aware of that. तो हमेशा मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज भेजने के अलावा के बजाय आप उस ग्रुप में मैसेज करें तो सब लोगों को फायदा. I don't have a problem with replying to you person. ठीक है, like love people. लेकिन अगर एक क्वेश्चन को मुझे आता है जिससे आपका फायदा हो तो वो मैं देता हूँ. Step 1, briefly I'm just going to go over it. It takes about 6 to 10 months. Probably less now that it's on this passing field with much going. The resources have always been the same. First, if you work at from outdoors and beyond, step to CK takes about 6 to 8 months, but sometime it's only you work for that and a little bit of time of salary can help you do that as well. For clinical rotations, mean ideally 3 to 5 months of clinical experience. उसको कैसे चीज करना है, looking at your electives. If you're a medical student, I would strongly urge all of you to apply for electives in the US if you think your financial situation will last for you. You have to understand having an elective. Okay, first of all, let's talk about what they are. There's electives with medical students do, then there's observerships that I did because I wasn't a medical student. I couldn't qualify for electives, and there's externships. The only difference is that elective fellow can go after a institutional patient care access with you, so you can follow the patients. You're essentially working as a doctor, not a doctor, but a medical student who wants to away the patients. As it is out in hospital, the patient will go and say, progress more slowly, and just try to make it, and you're going to do all that stuff. We're going to observe a shit that's in the I'll be teaching you that. You're restricted limited to observer. Because the reality is, if you are smart, if you have good people skills, हर काम कर सकते हैं जो कि कैरेक्टर का सुधार करता है और मैंने ये चीज़ की है. Essentially जब आप इंटरव्यूज के लिए जाते हैं, they don't really care कि आपने इलेक्टिव किया है, कि आपने observership किया है या आपने externship किया. Externship is more of an optional thing that you need. क्योंकि आप वीज़ा जो आपका स्टेटस हो रहा है. If you can show in your interview that you are able to demonstrate good learning, तो आपने सीखा क्या वहाँ से आप demonstrate कर सकते हैं. It doesn't matter कि आपने गाना किया, गाना किया, क्या किया. You just have to show that आपने सीखा क्या आपने जो आपने 3 महीने बाद में काम किया. What differences did you notice in the healthcare system in the US and Pakistan? That's the question that they want. Thank you. Visa application process. Let's talk about this afterwards. But just be just to briefly go over this. अगर आपने visa apply करना है, make sure you have the following things. Not these things. This is just opposite. Let's talk about the most important things. We need to have transcript अगर आप बनी चाहिए, आप ग्रेजुएट हैं तो आपके पास आपकी कॉलेज डिग्री होनी चाहिए, आपके पास आपके जिस हॉस्पिटल में ऑब्जर्वेशन करने जा रहे हैं वहाँ का लेटर होना चाहिए. Ideally, you should be working, you should be demonstrating, you doing some consistent forward work ताकि उनको appropriate बंदा actively ना काम करे. What we'll talk about this some of the time. Okay, so how important is the USC in the first place? The short answer is very important. The healthcare system in America is very different. It's unlike you've seen anything like that before. It's very systematic, it's very organized. More importantly, these patients allow you to demonstrate your ability to fit in the environment. If you have those abilities and skills, then it's going to allow you to sort of fit in very easily. So this is the purpose of this. Once you do an observership, if you perform well, you will get a letter of recommendation or someone else will go. And it's important to get an LOI because your application will be incomplete without it. You're not going to be able to send a match unless you have at least 3 American letters of recommendation. तो यहाँ अमेरिका में जरूरी होता है. हाँ, आप अमेरिका लेटर ना भी लें, आप अपने कॉलेज के विजिटिंग फैकल्टी में किसी लेटर में recommendation लगा सकते हैं. पर रियलिटी है इसको वो नहीं चाहते. They don't essentially trust our system. They want somebody from within the system to recommend. We will probably do the same. How do you apply for observerships? The quick answer is getting अभी इस पर क्योंकि वजह यह है कि observerships लेना बहुत difficult काम. If you want to go to US next year, you should start looking for observerships from today. Same goes for practice. Any kind of observerships. How do you apply for these? You have to go to the hospital website to get the faculty emails. Please email if there will be a high and medical assistance and such. Then I have like 1 month of service to apply for this. So, is there any opportunity to ask मुझे इस मैच कर सकते हैं? Just write it very brief. Do not write long emails. एक बात तो याद रखना, बुरे जो है ना उनको कहानी सुनाने का उनको शौक नहीं है. One thing you can notice is that ये कहते हैं to the point बात करो. ये हमारा एक स्टाइल होता है. यदि कोई बात करनी हो किसी से बात करते हैं, हम उसके दफ्तर में जाते हैं, जब बैठते हैं पहले 1-2-4 बातें करते हैं, फिर और बातें करते हैं, फिर एंड पे डांस की बात करते हैं. ये हमारा एक तरीका है. तो देखो मैं कहते हैं if you want my time, just save my time and save me the hassle of going through the bushes. Just tell me what you want. You don't want it, so it's not what you resolve. I've already addressed that this is going to be like 3 months at least, or 5 months if it's possible. For the application, get that programs apply to that. So the thing is, I would say if you can afford it, apply to us now. We don't have अब वो टाइम भी रहा है कि आप पूरे सीजन का प्रोग्राम अप्लाई करके आप ये गारंटी कर सकते हैं आपको एक गुड नंबर में इंटरव्यूज आते हैं. Fortunately, you have to apply for it. I applied to transparency 200 programs. I got 5 interviews. Both of them are from New York City hospitals. I signaled most of my programs, signaling features like अगर आपको वहाँ पर अपने hospital पसंद है, तो आप उनको एक love letter लिखते हैं कि मैं आपको hospital बहुत पसंद है और love to match with it. We get 6 signaling shots. So I signaled 6 programs and I think I got introduced to a 4th. And I matched to one. So yes, signaling helps, but you have to apply for it. ये वो expensive काम होता है. This applying to 200 programs cost me around $4,000 to $5,000. It's a lot of money. You can apply to less, that's fine. I think I maybe apply to it. When you live in financially, 150 is more reasonable. If you can afford it, please don't hesitate. If it pays off, that money that you think you're going to save is going to pay you back in thanks more. How do you choose a program? To be frank, I mean, you don't have to be, selecting a program or whatever. We have to apply for it, and from there we have to go. There's a person sector law, this is also the topic. Okay, so this is कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो डिटर्मिन करती हैं कि आपको इंटरव्यू आया कि नहीं आया. This is useful to data from the program directors. So at the end of the day, we thought one had to get the hierarchy of these things is the same. So the most important thing is the scores. You need to have good scores in order to be considered for the match process. You can't be like you want to have an average score and you think you don't match. So you have to score well. I'm telling you this game. अगर टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है पढ़ाई में स्कोर लेने में लो, प्लीज हैव गुड स्कोर. व्हाट इज गुड स्कोर इन दिस डे एंड एज? दिस योर फैमिली स्टेप टू सी में एवरेज स्कोर दैट इज 248. ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू बी इन द गुड स्कोर कैटेगरी, प्लीज ट्राई टू स्कोर at least 260 plus. It's doable, but everybody can do it. Anyone can do it. ठीक है. कोशिश करें तो there is possible the right guidance and the right techniques. We can also talk about this more if you want to, but not today. Letters of recommendation. Again, this takes a second importance. MSP, Medical School Program Performance Evaluation. ये US के जो graduation के लिए ज़्यादा relevant है, लेकिन हमारी MSP भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. We're going to discuss क्या हमारी MSP क्या है. और मैं अपने reference के साथ भी बात करूँगी. हमारी MSP और हमारी transcript अच्छी तरीके से format करने का एक अच्छी lesson है. Everything counts. The next thing doesn't really apply to us. It's important. It's important. Personal statement, very, very important. Personal statement, probably we're going to have another session on it. The next important thing for us is of his leadership qualities which he will demonstrate in your personal statement and your application. There are a lot of other things, gaps in medical education, early before I continue, I'd like to welcome Dr. Asim Salim and Dr. Irfan Karim. Please round of applause for all of them. They both are my respected teachers. Dr. Asim Salim helped me throughout my journey as well, and I owe part of my success to him. And I'm proud to say that he has been my mentor and my teacher. Dr. Irfan Karim, I still consider, I said this before on the stage as well, I will still consider him to be, in my opinion, one of the best lecturers in GMC. देखिए knowledge में बहुत बात है, but to be a good lecturer is अगर बंदा आपको lecture सुनेगी तो I'm pretty sure all four of you will be to have been able to believe that he's one of them, one of the best in my opinion. So anyway, let's go on. And then qualitative experience. अच्छा दोनों को चीज़ एक समझे कि आप अपनी प्राइस सेट के जाना उनको पर्सनालिटी हैं, देखो नंबर सबके अच्छा आते हैं, आपने different organizations में क्या कैसे काम किया वो आपने बताया. Luckily for all of you present for us as well, हमारे पास volunteer करने की बड़ी opportunity है. We have GSACHA education program, we have the Patient Welfare Society, और भी एक दो volunteer organizations हैं. They act a role in them to get experiences and right to your students. They like to do things. This will set you apart from all of the people who just have scores. You have to have, this is important, I'm saying this again. You need a well-rounded CV. तो ऐसा बंदा चाहिए तो हर तरीके से अच्छा हो. स्पोर्ट्स में भी, बातचीत में भी, वॉलंटियर वर्क में भी, रिसर्च में भी हम बात करेंगे, और ऑब्वियसली इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स में भी. All these are very important to getting a well-rounded education. So the probability of increases the more interviews you have. This is pretty obvious. If you have 8 interviews, you will most likely match, and unless you have horrendous interviews. एक बंदे जो नंबर से जानता हूँ, obviously I'm not going to take it anymore. उस बंदे को 20 interviews, 20 interviews, imagine कर सकते हैं. गोरों को 20 interviews नहीं आते. पाकिस्तान में तो imagine नहीं हुआ. क्यों? Interviews के लिए. I talked to him. ठीक है, मुझे इससे 2 सेकंड में बात करते हैं, मुझे इसका मैच नहीं हुआ. और मैं इससे भाई ने समझाया कि क्या है, तो मेरे काम ये नहीं है. We need to work on this. So please practice on your interpersonal skills. मैं GMC में आया तो मैंने और मेरे साथ मैं सब उसको जानते हैं, वो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ट्रेडिंग सोसाइटी. मैंने उन्होंने की ट्रेडिंग सोसाइटी को फ्लरिश करने की सिर्फ इसलिए कोशिश की ताकि आप लोग एक प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसे के जहाँ आप लोग अपने जो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग और ऐसे बातचीत करने की रिकॉर्डिंग को बंद कर सकें. देखिए लैंग्वेज सबको आती है. आई नो डाउट कि जितनी अंग्रेजी हो जाती है उससे बेहतर शायद बहुत सा प्लेटफॉर्म आती है. उसका मतलब जितनी हो जाती है सबको जाती है. Problem is the knowledge, the language that you have to translate and message. This is the skill. Speaking doesn't happen over here. It happens over here. You have to organize your part. Once you organize that part, everything else is done. And public speaking is very important for that. If you have a debating society, I'm strongly thinking that the president of the society is try to welcome you guys into it. Over debating sessions, not only practice without any judgment, working at it. Stand up and go but try to speak more, try to learn to speak more. This will pay you back in ways you can't imagine. For as an example, at the end of the day, this is a job. You can have 10 distinctions, but if you're not able to make up a single sentence, you can't carry a conversation in 5 minutes. It's not going to work out. They quite get out of work just right? Doctors are the same thing. ठीक है, तुम देख लीजिए डिस्टिंक्शन इसके स्कोर्स आते हैं. वो लाइकली है कि ऐसा डॉक्टर बन सकता है, लेकिन ऐसा डॉक्टर बनने के लिए तो पर्सनल स्किल होना चाहिए. ऐसा वो वर्कर अपना उससे करना चाहिए. How do you introduce scores? So not every work process. What this means is to try to build connections and to network. Dr. Diana, I'm just going to speak this. Dr. Diana जैसे कि आपके this platform, ये जो alumni social platform है, समस्त networking का, ठीक है. हमने as GMC students and graduates एक दूसरे को build up करना है बहुत ज़रूरी है mentality that I want you guys to see or you guys to develop and then to show your leaders as well that you have to work together अकेले बैठने से छोटे-छोटे पढ़ने से you're not going to go very far I can promise you this ठीक है लोगों को हेल्प करें और फिर गोल बनाया कि मैंने अगले बंदे को अपने से ज़्यादा लेवल पे काम करते हुए देखना है I promise you this goal from 10 years I can just see something give you this and I'm just going to thank you okay we're already at the end and hopefully once you if you work hard enough and if you're persistent right if you work as a team one day you're going to get as well inshallah you're going to match as well so only if you're persistent enough only if you plan enough and before I go on this excited listening to you very what should be a timeline for a medical student that I first feeling myself I mean I think it's a lot of time but after the first year I second year winning that's okay but I'm speaking from a religious perspective so you should get done with your step 1 by 4th year fourth year or step 1 is not passing through you have to be done by 4th year there's no excuse you want to go through the next step 2 is up next get done with it by your final year that's very important but unfortunately that's up in step 1 but you should be able to cover step 2 final year once final year is over skip house job ठीक है nobody cares about house job in this scenario with all due respect to my faculty members here but for this purpose when you final year studying for CK किसी को अगर rotations के लिए बाई चाहे अगले साल के लिए आपका house job करेंगे यहाँ तक के लाने के बाद go for rotation for 4 or 5 months and then apply it in the same year instead. This is the ideal path. It doesn't mean that you get let's say late or go from national level. But I'm just telling you for the first second if you should enter this is something that's doable. And if you have already graduated, then that's fine. Again, schools are the most important thing. Try to finish the things in the least amount of time as possible. You have to give your graduation to find that your chances of matching one exponentially low. Give a graduation कैसे calculate होता है starting from the day you pass the final year usually in May to the year that you're applying which is September always because for me I graduated in May of 21 I'm in September 24 of that year 23 of that year so that makes it 2 years and then a year that is 2 years that's very good it should be 2 or less this is the best thing but if it's not that's fine try to make sure you get 5 so that's important otherwise program का fulfill और करना चाहिए you will still match हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल्स हैं हमारे कॉलेज की सीजन के दोनों के मैच में हाफ से आने के बाद होना चाहिए I think they will run about this smart and they will be able to guide more about this as well but the earlier you apply the better it is I think I've already taken all of the time but thank you for being with me and if there's any you guys need I will drop my email to one of you guys and when I send questions, send me an email. Especially where the GMC is going to use somebody with WhatsApp, like it's a blank or quick question of the question. I'll be happy to answer you as I'll be happy to help as much as I can. Thank you for having me, everyone.
Thank you so much for your amazing speech. Moving to our next speaker, our senior champion from G3, who cleared PLAB 2 last year, Dr. Inshal Arshad, Registrar in Medicine, who will be discussing about PLAB. Your presence is highly appreciated. Kindly come on the stage.
जनसेक्टिव आईडी है बोलो मैंने बाद आप आपके सबसे